teacher Ambreen from class PG Nursery. I hope you all are doing good and having a great time at home. My dears, I have a very amazing activity for you today. We have the activity to draw a line between the pictures and the letters it starts with. We will move on to the book and there I will tell you that how to do this activity. My dears, you have to take out your English reading book, page number 10. Here we have to read the caption first. Draw a line between pictures and the letters it starts with. We have so many colorful pictures on the left side and the letters on the right side. What do you need to do this activity? You need a scale and a pencil. You have to hold the scale and a pencil in your one hand. Find out what this picture says. It's a glass. It's a glass. We have to find the initial beginning sound. G, glass. G, glass. So, does the letter E makes the sound G? No. H? No. F? No. What about G? Yes, my dears, the letter G makes the sound G. G, G, glass. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, we have to draw a line between the picture and the letter it starts with. This is G, glass. It's a G, glass. So we have to draw a line over here. Next we have a flag. Flag. The flag beginning sound is F, flag. Does the letter E makes the sound F? No. H? No. F? Yes. The letter F makes the sound F, flag. F, flag. So we have to draw a line between the picture and the letter it starts with. Draw a line. F, flag. Very good. Next we have the picture of an engine. It's engine. Engine. Wow, my dears. The first letter gives the sound of engine. So we have to draw a line between the picture and the letter it starts with. Engine. Very good. Next we have a helicopter. Helicopter. Helicopter initial sound is H. So only the letter left here is H, and also the letter H makes the sound H. So we have to say H, helicopter. Draw a line between a picture and the letter it starts with. So now revise this with me. G, glass. F, flag. H, helicopter. E, engine. Let's revise this with me again. E, engine. H, helicopter. F, flag. G, glass. Again. E, engine. H, helicopter. F, flag. And G, glass. Very good, my dears. Now it's your turn to perform this activity at home. Thank you so very much.